Hi, welcome back to another Taco Tuesday, and today I'm going to show you how to make popusas. So let's start making the curtido. First, I'm going to start by slicing this onion. Usually it's purple onion, but since I didn't have any purple onion, I'm using this instead. I'm going to be using a glass container, and I'm going to place my onions on the very bottom. Now I'm going to start shredding my cabbage. You can also use purple cabbage, but this is what I had in the fridge, so this is what I'm using. And I'm just going to give it a quick rinse. Now I'm going to slice some jalapenos. I'm using serranos, but you can use jalapenos, serranos, whatever kind of spice you like. The more spicier, the better. Now I'm going to be slicing some carrots. They do sell shredded carrots, so I would use that instead, but since I had carrots at the house, that's what I used. I am also going to be adding 2 cups of white vinegar and 1 cup of water. I'm also going to be crushing some oregano on it just to give it a little taste, and add a little bit of salt and just mix it and let it just sit there for at least 4 to 6 hours. Later, I started making my pupusas, so I'm going to use manteca, corn flour, some manteca. I will write the recipe down in the description, but if you just want to eyeball it, just eyeball it. I'm also going to add some salt to the mixture and water, and I'm just going to mix. You can literally make your pupusas out of anything. Beans, chicken, pork, whatever you want. Just queso, whatever you want. They can be made with whatever. I'm going to be using some fajita and cheese. Now make sure you grab a large ball of dough. Now I'm going to start making my little popusas, and I'm just basically doing what I would do with a gordita. But instead of waiting till the end to stuff my gordita, I'm going to do it now. And I'm just going to close it back up, and I'm going to press it back down. Now you can add masa to make it perfectly round, or leave it as is. Now the reason why I added manteca was because I'm just going to cook these. These you do not fry, but with the little manteca that you do put in the masa, it will fry for you. So this is what they're going to look like. Now I'm going to turn the pupusa maybe 2 to 3 times. And I want them to look like this. The more cheese you add, the cheesier it will be, but this is the thickness that you want. And after you are done, just add your curtido on top and you enjoy. Now, if there is anything else that you're curious about making, let me know down below. And yeah, but I hope you enjoy, and I will see you next time. Bye!